Hey squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool model here, and basically what this is a portable air mattress. You can see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and then basically for the one that we got right here is a twin size. They do have this available in a queen size as well. So depending if you guys want a smaller version or a bigger version, you definitely want to do your own research. And also in terms of the height of the actual product or the length of the product, the one that we got right here is 18 inch. They do have this available in 13 inch and like 16 inch as well. I believe they have this available in other size as well. So you definitely want to do your own research for that as well. But definitely see right here when you guys first get the product, it's all nicely compressed into this small little box. So I'm just open it up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So basically on the box right here, they do let you guys know which side to open on. So you guys can open on this side, alright? So when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. So definitely the product is inside a bag that you guys can use to carry around with you guys anywhere. So that way the product can be portable. So let's take it out, alright? So once you guys take it out, this actually looks like inside. You can definitely see the brand logo right there. And you see the bag right here, definitely looks like a high quality bag. But let's take out the air mattress inside first, alright? So when you guys first take it out, this actually looks like inside. So basically right here, they provide guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to use it. And then right here, they provide guys some repair patches if you guys somehow accidentally puncture it. But definitely for the product, it shouldn't puncture if you guys handle it correctly. If you guys use like a knife to stab it, or if you guys jump on it from really high above, then obviously it probably will puncture. But if you guys get on normally, it should be fine and it shouldn't puncture. But definitely right here, we do have the air mattress. So let's take it out. So like I mentioned, the one that we got right here is a twin size. So it's definitely gonna be smaller than the queen size. So if you guys do get the queen size, it's gonna be much bigger than this one. Alright, so if you guys first open up, this actually looks right here. And then definitely on the side right here, we do have the inflator or deflator. Let me actually bring the camera a little bit closer to show you guys instructions on here. Alright, so you see right here, they provide guys instructions on how to inflate it and how to use it correctly. And the basic inside right here is a cable. So once you guys open up, you can definitely see the cable inside. So let's take this off first. So you see right here, they do have the label for which side is which. So inflation and deflation. And then once you guys take that out, this actually looks right here. And then obviously right here, we do have the power button for you guys to turn it on. But I definitely love how they actually have a cable for you guys right here to actually hide the cable inside and keep it organized. So that way the product is super compact and portable for you guys to bring it with you guys anywhere. But you see right here is basically what the product looks like. So I'm going to plug it in and test it out to show you guys how to use it. Alright, so we got the product all plugged in. Let's turn on the switch and activate it to show you guys how to inflate it. So first what I'm going to do is turn this knob right here, the inflation knob, to open it up. Once you guys do that, you guys can turn on the power switch. So once you guys finish pumping it up, you guys want to push this in. You can see how it's deflating right now. So I'm actually pump more air in first. So just like that. So you basically want to turn the switch right here before you guys click the off switch. But you see when you guys fully inflate it, this is basically what the product looks like. So I'll actually hop on and test out to see how it feels first. Alright. So once you guys sit on here, it definitely feels pretty nice. It definitely feels super comfortable and actually has a good support. But then I actually put my full body on here. Alright, so once you guys hop on, this actually looks right here. So definitely once you guys hop on, it actually feels pretty nice. It definitely has a good support throughout your whole entire body. And then basically for this part here, you guys can use it as a pillow, or if you guys want to put your own pillow on here, you can definitely do that as well. And obviously if you guys have your own blanket, you can definitely put it on top as well. But you see on the side right here, it's definitely pretty tall. Like I mentioned, the one that we got right here is 18 inch. If you guys want like a smaller one, like 13 inch or 16 inch, they do have those available as well. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully set it up. You can see it definitely looks pretty nice. And also the cool thing about this air mattress right here is the fact that on the bottom, it does have a non-stick material. Let me actually flip it over to show you guys what I mean. So you see right here, they definitely have a non-stick material. So once you guys put it onto the ground, it actually sticks it onto the floor and prevents it from moving around. And then obviously on the side right here, you can see we do have the brand logo. But now let's deflate the air mattress to show you guys how to do that. So the way how you guys deflate it is by turning the switch or a knob on the deflation side, which is the right one. And then you turn on the power. Alright, so once you guys deflate it, you guys can see this is basically actually looks like. So definitely inflates and deflates really fast. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully set it up. If you can see, it didn't take that long. So the whole setup process and everything is actually really easy. And once you guys finish setting up, you can definitely put this away. So I'm actually fold it back up to show you guys how to put it away. So I'm gonna put the cable back inside first. Alright, so once you guys put the cable back inside, close it back up. And basically you want to fold this back up. Alright, and then definitely put it back into the bag. Alright, so that's the first bag. I'm gonna put it back into the other bag right here. Once you guys put it back inside right here, you gotta use the drawstring option to seal it back up. And then once you guys do that, you guys are all set. So definitely the product is super compact and portable, so you can use it anytime and anywhere. Whether you guys want to use it at home, in the office, when you guys are traveling, or however you guys want to use it, that is up to you guys. But you can see it definitely does work. But now to come unboxing and testing the product, now the next question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality portable air mattress that's either like the twin size, the queen size, that has the option for you guys to inflate and deflate automatically, and also has a different size in terms of the height or the length. That I would definitely have to say that this is worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.